In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter in Search and Discovery using product options in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can let your customers filter products by things like size, color, or any other product option you've set up in your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the app called Search and Discovery. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the Search and Discovery dashboard, where you can manage things like search results, recommendations, and filters. On the left side of this dashboard, you'll see a submenu specifically for search and discovery. Here, look for the section labeled Filters and select it. This page shows you the filters that are currently available in your store's search and collection pages. Very often, you'll see filters like price and availability already added by default. To create a new filter based on a product option, go to the top right corner of this page and click the button that says Add Filter. This will open the filter editor. Inside the filter editor, you'll see an option to choose the source of the filter. Click Select Source. A pop-up window will appear. This is where you pick what you want to use as a filter. Because we're using product options, look through the list for the product option you want, or use the search bar at the top of the pop-up to type its name. For example, if you want a size filter, type size into the search bar. When you find the product option you need, you'll see its name and its type labeled as product option. Click on it to select it. After you select your product option, wait a moment for the page to load. Shopify is pulling information from your products to understand what values exist for that option. The filter label will usually be automatically filled in using the product option name, such as size, but you can edit this label if you'd like it to appear differently to your customers. Below the label, you'll see the values that Shopify has detected for this option. These are based on the product variants you've already created, such as small, medium, and large for a size option. This helps you confirm that you're setting up the correct filter. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new filter is now added. You can repeat the same process for any other product options you want to turn into filters, helping customers narrow down products quickly and improving their shopping experience.